Hello students, we move on to exercise 2C of rational number part 6. Here we are going to see something very important. Okay, they are called addition of rational numbers. So there are two cases, children, if you see. Case 1 and case 2. Case 1 I will do in question 1 and case 2 I will do in question 2. Case 1, when denominator, DTR means short form of denominator is same, then how we add? So rule says add the numerator. Add the numerator and we have the same denominator. So see how we do. We have same denominator 11, 11, 11 and we add. So first step, better children, we first should show the plus sign. First we should show the plus sign, have the same denominator, add the numerator. So 5 plus 4, you get 9 by 11. Add the numerator, same denominator. Same thing here, children. Minus 6 by 13 plus 8 by 13, same denominator, don't add denominator, add the numerator. So if you see minus 6 plus 8, you see in my previous chapter I have told you how to add negative and positive. Subtract the smaller from larger, put the sign of the larger. So larger is 2. Next one, so once more, same denominator. Add the numerator. When you add 8 is bigger, subtract 8 minus 6, put the sign of the larger plus. We don't put plus sign because when no sign is there, we assume that it is plus. Next sum we have, you add the numerator and common denominator. When you add this, you get 4 by 20. Later on you will see, you can cancel in this class. You may do it, may not do it. So if you cancel, you get 1 by 5. So this part you may not do in class 6. 4 by 20 because the rule says rational number of fraction should be reduced to the smallest term. But if you leave here also in class 6, no problem. If you cancel also, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So this was my question 1 based on case 1, where we have same denominator, we add the numerator and get one fraction. So pause the video, boys, and copy. Now we move on to question 2, where we have different, DIFF means different denominator. What we do? LCM of denominator. Find LCM of 3 and 4. So when you do, it should actually, you can do like this too, or directly also you can do. So actually we see two numbers should go. So directly actually you could get 3 into 4 because nothing is common in between 2. So LCM of 2 number prime to each other is the product. So we have to convert both of them. So kindly copy, pause and copy. So LCM is of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay, you can do by this method or by direct because nothing is common. Then children, we have to convert both the fraction with common LCM as common denominator. See what I do. Minus 2 by 3, I have to make the denominator 12. So multiply and divide by 4. So what do we get? Minus 2 by 3 minus 8 by 12. Same way, 3 by 4, we multiply by 3 and divide by 3. Okay. So here we multiply by 4 and divide by 4. We get 9 by 12. So what we do here is we add this two numbers. See, so question is minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So what we do, we have converted this, we have converted to this as minus 8 by 12. We have converted this to equivalent fraction with denominator 12, which is LCM of 3 and 4. And 3 by 4 we have converted into equivalent fraction 9 by 12 because we want common denominator, and we come back to the question 1. First case, add the numerator and write the common denominator. So we get 1 by 12. Bigger number you subtract smaller number and sign of the larger. So once more, these two we convert with equivalent fraction with 12 as their denominator, which is their LCM. So add the numerator, we come to the same denominator case now, and same denominator, add the numerator. So we get this. So kindly pause the video and copy. We move on to the next part. So now we move on to question 2 part 3. Same way we have different denominator. So we find the LCM of 18 and 27. So there are different methods. I am doing by this method. Okay, so 2, only one number will go. This will not go, so I start with prime number 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 9 are 27. Again we do by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 3s are 54. So our common denominator is 54. So I convert this into denominator 54. So we multiply and divide by 3 because we want denominator to be same. Same way, 11 by 27 we multiply and divide by 2 to get same denominator. Now question is saying add them. So what I do, children, in place of minus 5 by 18 I write minus 15 by 54, and in place of 11 by 27 I write 22 by 54. These are both equivalent fraction with common denominator. So what did we learn here is take the common denominator, add the numerator. So when you add the numerator, 22 minus 15 is 7. Add the smaller from the larger, put the sign of the larger. So minus 7 by 54 is your answer. So you can pause the video and copy. If you have any problem, you play back, you rewind, go back 1 or 2 minutes back. Try to understand, see 2-3 times, because this is very important for your present and future. So please pause and copy. So we move on to the last question of this session, where we have different denominator but one problem, children. Here one denominator is minus. So what we do, 1 minus means, you will learn later, or you remember now, it can go up. I'll show you how. 21 by minus 4 we multiply by minus 1 and minus 1 to get minus 21 by 4. Just remember one thing, that if denominator is minus, you can write it in the numerator. So this is what we have to find, children. Why I am putting in bracket? Because this is minus same way. So first thing, what is the LCM of 4 and 8? So see how we do. 4, 8. 2 to the first try with first prime number 2. Then again it will go by 2. So we get LCM as 8. So we convert here minus 21 by 4. We multiply the denominator because we have to make the denominator same. So this becomes minus 42 by 8. And this is already 8. So you may write if you want. This step is optional because just I am showing you, you multiply and divide by 1. 8 remains 8. Remember, children. So what we do here? Minus 21 by 4 minus 11 by 8. We write this as minus 21 by 4 as minus 42 by 8 plus minus 11 by 8. So what do we get? Take common denominator. So this is this remains this. Minus 21 by 4 with equivalent fraction with denominator 8 is this. So minus 42, you will remember plus minus, just see the sign, is minus. This I think you have seen in my previous chapters video where I have explained how we do. So this is your final answer is minus 53 by 8. So once more, from denominator I take the minus to numerator because denominator cannot be minus. Then find the LCM of denominator, make equivalent fraction with the same denominator. Minus 21 by 4 becomes minus 42 by 8. This remains same, or you may say we have multiplied by 1. Then we come to the first format because our basic idea is to make same denominator, write the denominator, add the numerator, minus minus is minus, children, and 42 plus 11 is 53. So I think in my previous chapters, exercise 1's video there, I think I have explained this concept very nicely in part 2 or part 3 of that chapter. So you get answer minus 53 by 8. So kindly practice question 1, 2 and 3, and thank you for watching.